Okay, finally we have come to the last section of the video here, where I'm just giving the final touches, and also putting some texture for the hair here, which I was building in the last video also. So the finishing of the sketch here, the portrait sketch. In this painting you can see I was doing a softer skin tone. Then we have a lot of texture happening into the hair here. Since she has a lot of texture, her hair is more like a wavy shape here, and which has a lot of flow in the hair, and that is what I was looking for, that kind of a flow, that kind of a design, a little bit of just making some of the cooler tone underneath that, underneath that dress there. But basically looking for the overall design and the form here. Trying to be as simple as possible. Also a little bit adjusting some of the and softening the edges of the hair there, trying to build some kind of a design happening into that part of the hair, and trying to look on the painting like what else can be done, what else can be done to make it more interesting, to make it more visually powerful, and that's the idea basically here, to show you a kind of working way to really so that anyone can, who knows a little bit about the value and the color, or even if you don't know, you can just start to try that this way, because in this way you just start with the bigger picture, and you don't have to worry about the smaller picture at all. As you can see here, what I'm doing here, I'm putting some of the warmer undertones of the hair, and I'm trying to play with that. When you are finishing a painting, it's not about copying each and everything. It's just trying to look mostly the proportion, and then you should be looking the different quality of the edges quality here versus soft, sharp, and the lost edges. So all those things, the edges is very, very important here, and so, and when you are creating the difference in edges, the painting has a much visually impactful, and that's kind of really important as an artist, that you have to be really looking for differences in the value, as you can see that the eyes on the left hand side, which is in shadow, the things are much softer there, but when you see the light, when you see the eyes in the right hand side, it is a little bit sharper, but again that is really sitting back from the nose, the nose is really coming out from the face, because of that the three-dimensional quality of the oval, which is the ball of the nose, which is sitting in just below the bridge of the nose, and using the technique of softer on the shadow side, on the left side of the nose here, and on the right side of the nose, which is a little bit more sharper when it's coming really in front of you, Same thing on the lips also. The shadow side is a little bit more softer compared to the light side, So I'm just looking for a difference in the values there, and really trying to capture the quality of the hair, I was thinking like what else can be done here, so that we can make the things looks more interesting, and that is what we have to learning from as an artist. You need to really develop the sense of design, the sense of a color, so that things start to look much more convincing here, and that is actually exactly what I'm looking here, a little bit toning down the values there, trying to create some of them a little bit the cast shadow by the hair onto that neck there, and looking for a little bit of a transition tone between that space. So try to practice these kind of a sketch. I was thinking of why not sharing with the people, from all over the world. As my name is Ashish Kumar Patel, and I was trained at Angel Academy of Art, which is based in Florence, Italy, and I was an instructor there for almost like 7 to 8 years, and I have taught numerous students from all over the world. So I thought, why not sharing my knowledge to all you guys? And I'm also kind of putting many videos on Udemy. Feel free to reach me anytime, and I will also put my email ID there and my WhatsApp number there. You can just call me anytime, you can just ask me any question as you want, because I really like to share my knowledge to everyone, because that is what I have been doing. I just love painting portraits and all different genre of painting, like landscapes and still life painting. So it was great having you all here, and I will see you soon in the next video. And please keep updated with my next video. Thank you everyone, take care, and bye bye, and see you soon. And whenever you want to buy any kind of if you want to avail any kind of a discount on my videos on Udemy, I am on an Instagram page on the name of Ashish Patel _artist. Okay, so when you go to the bio section there, in that there is a link just below the online painting course. You can just go and click the link, and you will avail the discount also from the Udemy also, so why not give a try. And it was amazing having you all here watching my this demo, and I hope you have learned something from here. And take care and have a blast in painting, and take care. Bye everyone.